Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss one of the Linux interview question. So the ask will be how to create older timestamp empty files in a specific directory. Okay, so we will try to see how to create empty files. So right now we are in under script folder. Now let's try to create empty file for the script. Uh, let's rename it something whatever you like it. Empty files creation script.sh. Okay, now let's do ls-lrt. So this is the name of the script which we created. Now just open it, and then we will try to apply our logic within this script. Okay, so first of all we will try to get the current date which the date which we want it. Okay, get the current date in the required format. Okay, so whatever may be the date which we are looking at, right? So that particular date format which we are trying to store in a variable. Okay, current date equal to, now let's say open the parenthesis, date hyphen d. So this is going to apply the number of days that which we are going to create, that is going to create it. So let's say for example I want to look at 5 days ago data. Okay, 5 days ago timestamp which I want it. So now do plus and percentile format, we are taking it format now, and again percentile m month, percentile date, and again percentile hours, and percentile minute dot percentile seconds, and then close it. Okay, so what we are trying to do here, in this current date, in this particular variable we are storing 5 days ago timestamp in this particular format which we are storing. Okay, fine. Now second step is creating 3 empty files with the specified timestamp in a given directory. Okay, so we are trying to create 3 empty files, okay, in a given directory. So in order to create more than one, okay, into iteratively, we are going to use the for loop. And for I in, let's say, sequence of how many we want. For example, I am interested to create 3 empty files. Now let's say 1 space 3. Okay, and then do. So this is a way of declaration which supports, okay, sequence of it. This is from the start, this is from the end. Just by giving 1 space. Okay, do. Okay, now let's apply touch hyphen t. Okay, and then apply the current date, current underscore date. Okay, so this is what 5 days ago current timestamp which we are going to print it under the timestamp. From which directory which we are going to create? Home Balakrishna slash data. Okay, slash file. So under this particular directory I am interested file, and call this variable $i. So that is going to iterate through dot txt. So file 1.txt like this. I am interested actually. Now done. Okay, that's all. So what we are trying to do it now, we are taking a specific formats just 5 days ago's date. Okay, the format which we are storing under current date, and then we are taking the sequence from 1 to 3 in a variable called I, and this particular current timestamp will be appended with under this particular directory. This particular sequence of 1 2 3 will be iterated using for loop and then created. So what this is going to do, under this particular directory, file 1 file 2 file 3 is going to create using touch-t command. Okay, so now let's try to see. So remember this home Balakrishna data, it should be created. Now let's try to save this. Escape wq. Okay, now we will try to go and see is there any files exist in the data folder. Now let's do ls-lt. So right now under data we don't have anything. Now we will go to home Balakrishna and then scripts. So here we have our created script. Now let's try to run this using .sh, and so using sh we are triggering this script. Let's hit the enter. So script is executed. Now let's try to go back to the directory which we specified there. The file should be created, though this is the directory we have given. Under this directory, file 1 file 2 file 3 has to be created for us. Let's hit it. See here, file 1 file 2 file 3 with extension .txt has created with 0 bytes. Okay, so this is how we have to prepare our script in order to iteratively create the empty lines. Okay, I hope this will be clear for you guys. That's all for today. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and please do the comment.